On this day 2 years ago, we saw one of the wildest moments in UFC history. If you got a weak stomach, I'd look away. Chris Weidman would step into the octagon for the first US live event in over a year, and he would take on Uriah Hall. We're just getting started here. They're bouncing around from the outside. Weidman throws a hard leg kick, and his leg gives out. Herb Deeds steps in. Oh my goodness. Let's check this out one more time in slow motion. The first strike landed of the fight. Hard leg kick from Weidman. Lands it right under the knee with the check from Uriah Hall. That shin bone just gives out completely. Whips the leg in there right under the knee. Oh, and then he tries to step on it, not even knowing that it was gone. What makes that moment even more wild is Chris Weidman defended his title against Anderson Silva when Silva broke his leg the same way. I mean, what are the odds that Chris Weidman would be involved in two of the